Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply beautify effect to your video in Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to add my video to the project and then I'm going to go to the effects menu here and we're going to go to the body effect. Okay, and then you can choose this beautify effect, apply this effect to your video, and then you will be able to customize the effect. Click on this effect icon here and you're going to customize the beauty, face, eye, and nose. And you can adjust it as you want, like this. I'm going to go to the face and I'm going to increase this one, string face, and jaw as well. Alright, and for the eye, I'm going to enlarge the eye. Alright, and I'm going to remove dark circles and make it bright eye. Okay, and this is for the result. This is after I applied the beautify effect. And wait, I'm going to delete the effect to show you the difference. Okay, this is before I apply effect. Okay guys, and that's all the way to apply beautify effect to your video in Filmora 14. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.